How to add transition on NanoBanana.AI. I'm going to guide you through the process and how to do it. Let's get started. First, open your laptop, go to your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type NanoBanana.AI and navigate to its official website. Once the site opens, make sure you are logged in with your account. Scroll down to the AI editor section. Here you will find two main options: image to image or text to image. Upload the image or sequence of image you want to apply. Transition to. Now to add transition, tap on the main prompt field and type instruction in natural language. For example, add a smooth fade transition between images, apply a slight transition from left to right, create a crossfade effect between these images. After writing your prompt, tap on Generate Now button. NanoBanana AI will process your request and generate the image with the transition applied. You can preview the output in the gallery and refine your prompt if you want to adjust the style, speed, or type of transition. And that's it. That's how you can easily add transition on NanoBanana AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.